Good morning. That is Chicken. Where am I? Oh. Hello. And this is my dogs. There you go, all pooped out. Yeah, so today we were walking along and then we were talking about how so Hui Jian started asking me about telling me that if we walk this path at night on a certain hour, we can see some people doing certain things. So I was half expecting her to tell me to beware because it's a 7-month thing. So for those of you who don't know, I do see things, so I'm a bit wary of this kind of thing. Not that I have a need to because I'm chief, but still. So then we started talking about how these people do things because they love the attention that they get. So we were talking about it, and basically the herding officer profile is someone who loves attention. Okay? So if you have a lot of HO, herding officer stars in your party, you also love the attention. So these are herding officer people are usually people who get on stage. They talk, they like the spotlight on them, they like the attention. Okay? They make great lecturers, they make great speakers, motivational speakers. Yeah. So that's herding officer. Bye.